Snowstorm 2011. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Open the door and pray I don't drop the cell phone. So I would say, I don't know how many inches. Whoa. Down here. That comes right up to my knee. Can't really. Okay, thanks, Mitchell. Look, that's. Wow. Almost covers my knee. Let's go. Oh. Get a little further. Oh, gee whiz. What this bench looks like. Practically covered the bench. Trees. It's very pretty. I don't think my husband thinks that's very pretty. There he is. No hat. Oh. Jeez. I can't even balance. Oh. There we go. That's it, folks. Let's have a look. Get a little bit closer. Get an idea of how deep it is. I can't even get down the stairs. But, let's see. Over here. Look at the stairs here. Oh. Yep. It's covering the doors. You can't open that door. That door opens out. And there you go. It's a wall of snow, basically. Let's make our way back. Oh, gee. Okay, just forget it. No one's going anywhere. Pretty though. Don't want to sit there. Going. Okay. Whew. And it's still very windy. The snowman's almost covered. The street is very quiet, which is odd from the street. Oh, try not to drop the cell phone. And the kids left the door open. Okay, here we go. That's it. Snow, 2011.